15 hours where we're going to experience the thrust of this hurricane.
We spend most of our lives learning how to control ourselves and our environment. And suddenly you wake up the realization, I am not in control.
Pictures of the family. That's my niece and my great niece.